Sportswear is refreshing its retro Shox TL line with a striking gym red makeover, set to stand out this fall. Unlike the earthy palettes typical of the season, this release takes on a bold tonal ruby shade reminiscent of early 2010 styles. Every element, from the plastic overlays to the column-shaped cushioning system, is drenched in red, while subtle white branding on the tongue and spine provides a clean contrast. Though official release dates on Nike.com are still unannounced, anticipation is building as sneaker fans get a first look at the bold update. With its vivid color blocking and throwback energy, the gym red Shox TL emphasizes Nike's strategy of reviving past favorites through daring reinterpretations. Expect more details to surface soon, but for now, the spotlight rests on the striking visuals of this standout design.